Alright, so Jake asks, saan po pwede mag-demo account? So if you're like Jake who's new to crypto and you're not yet confident trading your real money, Binance actually has a feature where you can practice using a mock trading account. And I'll show you how. So step number 1 is to log into your Binance account and then click More. Step 2 is to scroll down until you see the category Trade. And then on the lower right corner, you will see Mock Trading. And then may magpa-pop up na disclaimer, so just go through and scroll through it and then click OK. So after clicking OK, lalabas to and you will be granted with 3,000 USDT that you could use to practice your trades. And then may lalabas lang na ganitong prompt and just click continue below. And that's it. Magkakaroon ka na ng account mo for mock trading and just let it load. And then you will be required to go through the tutorial. So merong prompt, mga instructions sa ilalim. So just go through with it and follow the step-by-step process until you've reached the end. And that's it. I hope it helps. As you can see, I have 15,000 USDT to play with and I have one position pending. And yeah, that's how you can practice your mock tradings on Binance. Hope you learned something. Bye.